make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight to...
Mais uma bruta escolhida a dedo, essa linda Ford Ranger 2013-2014 XLT, selecionada a dedo. Pra quê? Para esse baita projeto. Estamos iniciando agora, projetão, frente, transformação, pacote completo full F-150. Essa bruta está sendo desmontada agora, já está em procedimento. Confira todos os detalhes, padrão da nossa equipe, profissional bem qualificado para executar esse trabalho. E o diferenciado, você vê todas as peças, toda a parte estrutural do carro, não altera nada. Essa picape, ela recebe todos os itens sem nenhuma adaptação. Ponto de fixação, os parafusos são todos com lugar certinho de estar montando. Acompanhe aí todo o processo desse projeto full.
You build me up, you break me down. My heart it pounds, yeah you got me. With my hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no. You build me up, you break me down. My heart it pounds, yeah you got me. With my hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my wrist. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flags, down my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We'll paint it red to fit it right in. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive.
Yelling at the sky, screaming at the world. Baby, where'd you go? I'm still your girl. Holding on too tight, head up in the clouds. Heaven only knows where you are now. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright, baby. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear our song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear our song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear our song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost.
If I could go back to the day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, but this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back, oh bitch, it's over. All the presents I would send, fuck my friends behind my shoulder. Next time I'ma stay asleep, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And you got me thinking lately, bitch, you're crazy, and nothing's ever good enough. Don't make me fall so fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Send the X and O's on another note. I'm don't make me fall so fucking done with you, baby. So send the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost. If I could go back to the day we met, I probably would've stayed in bed. You wake up every day and make me feel like I'm incompetent. Designer shoes and Xanax abs, compliments your makeup bag. You never have to buy yourself a drink. Everybody wanna tap that ass. And next time I'ma stay asleep, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And you got me thinking lately, bitch, you're crazy, and nothing's ever good enough. Cause I don't make me fuck so fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Send the X and O's on another note. I won't make me fuck so fucking done with you, baby. So send the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost.
Take a breath, rest your head, close your eyes, you're alright. Just lay down, turn my side. Do you feel my heat on your skin? Take off your clothes, blow out the fire. Don't be so shy, you're right, you're right. Take off my clothes, oh bless me Father. Don't ask me why, you're right, you're right. On my stay, I'm incoming. I can feel your hips in my hands, and I'm laying down by your side. I can taste the sweet of your skin. Take off your clothes, blow out the fire. Don't be so shy, you're right, you're right. Take off my clothes, oh bless me Father. Don't ask me why, you're right, you're right. Just race so much faster. You drown yourself in my holy water, and both your eyes just got so much brighter. And you saw God, oh yeah, so much closer. Take off your clothes.